So you're right there, people. Right, actually found what we've been looking for now. Took us a little while to bloody find it, but nice one to a certain someone. Led me a little tip onto this place, let me know it was open. So yeah, nice one for this. It's a nice little air raid shelter. So yeah, I've never been here before, so it's something new, something interesting. But yeah, let's have a little wander around, see what we've got. But just look at all them just coming in. So that's where we've just come in. So loads of baby ones. So this one I'm going to be keeping my head down. And everything just rotted completely. Yeah, so this was an air raid shelter for mad. Sirens will go off and that, and then they just have to run straight down there. The original wiring still looped up all across there. New table. So this is built up entrance. Wonder if this possibly could have been another way in. I mean, by the way we had to get into this place, there could have been another one further up because of the size of the building. So it could be another entrance, possibly running in. Yeah. Bloody manager. Nice brother. I was just looking at all the water up here, look.
How long have you been behind the park?
Yeah, I just did. There's a wood frame.
What do we do about it?
What's that sort of done? It's just done, I don't know, it's been concreted in like that as well. I thought it had just fallen, but no, it's actually been concreted in. I don't know, they might have made them slightly too big. I don't know. See where all the water's been coming in through this one. I mean, look at that.
Don't know if it goes up anymore. I've used so much battery.
It's only 20 niche. Only goes up a little bit, hasn't it?
Oh wow. That's pointless. It's got right on these. B-A. A-B.
Yeah, I know. People just writing stuff down there. Mad little place, though. Imagine being a little boy in that and then having to run down there. Would have been scary, but quite cool at the same time. Okay. So we'll put a little ghost in there.
Oh, them little ghosts.
Yeah, trying to scare people in there. I don't know why they would have had a bed down there at one point.
I was thinking that a minute ago.
See a toilet bit, but I haven't actually seen the toilet where the toilet would have gone.
This one's quite tall. I'm not pulled over.
Oh,
There.
see, they're all rusted out.
Yeah. I wouldn't trust them. I don't know.
Looks like people have been putting little tokeny things down here from the school.
They remind me of what teachers used to give us when we used to play bingo. Like the really early bingo. Yeah.
Yeah.
Horrible.
Golden Wonder. Yeah. Not a bad little place. Not a bad little place. Ah, the old heater you can make it out. Just try and keep them warm down there. Yeah. Crazy little place.
See, I take it this wood would have been what the lights were on right off here.
It could have well been, yeah, because it could have run across there.
Yeah, obviously the wires, you know, the light
Yeah.
there. You know, carries them all the way up. Oh, just wires.
Oh no, I don't like them. I do hate them. Right, so that's the end of that video, people. Like, subscribe as always. Take care of yourself and have a good day. I'll be back again soon. Take care.
Spiders.